Okay, so how do you replace the indicator module on your Mk3 Octavia? Stick around, I'll take you through it step by step. You've really got to be pretty brave and get your fingers right in behind here to pull this out. Press right in there, give yourself a proper purchase angle there, and then just be properly brave, get it right in and give it a good yank, and it just clips straight out like that. Next step is just to remove these two electrical connections. You might have three. Either way, just pull them off with a pair of long nose pliers. That's just for the mirror heater. Okay, so the next step is just to remove these two clips. There's one at the side, it'll be colour coded to your car, and one at the top. Obviously mine's blue as I've got a blue mirror and a blue car. Top one's gone, and there's the side one as well. There she comes. Okay, so next step is to remove these two torque screws here. There's one here, and there's one just here. Note this is a T10 bit I'm using. Okay, so the next step is to remove these two clips holding the mirror frame onto the rest of the mirror body. There's this clip here, and there's another one which is right in here. I don't know if you can see it, but you just got to get a screwdriver right in and just push that clip, so just at the end up, hear that clip, just pull it slightly forwards. You just got to encourage that forwards and get that top one off with your fingers, and the whole thing will start to come forwards. Maybe just needs a bit more encouragement. Just there it goes. You just got to play around with that, and there's the clip there, you can see it right there. It just clips on that section there. Pull back, and it should just come loose like that. So now all we need to do is just remove the indicator module from the mirror and replace it, or if you want to upgrade, you can upgrade to the dynamic indicator module, and it should just come loose like that. Okay, so here's my new indicator module from VW, or from, in this case, same thing really. And refit the bottom part of the mirror module. Now you've got to note that there's this clip here which needs to engage here, there's this guy just here which needs to clip on just over here, and there's this little rubber spacer here which needs to slide up just in there. So we've just got to be mindful of all of that. This one's probably the most troublesome one, so that's the one you want to focus on. Okay, that's good to go. Remember to put these cables through there, and then make sure that this clip here lines up with this little guy here, and that this clip here is correctly aligned with this clip just down here, which is probably the more troublesome one of the two. And also you've got to engage that spigot with that hole, and that spigot with that hole. There we go. Okay, so now we can refit the rear housing on the mirror. You've got to remember that this clip here needs to engage with this little latch just here, and this clip here needs to engage with this latch just here. As long as you remember that, it's straightforward. Okay, and you can see they've come through perfectly fine, so we're good to go. Okay, final step is to put the mirror back on. It doesn't matter which way around these cables go, just put one onto each of the connections available. Do be careful, they're quite fragile there. And you just got to kind of get this lined up as best you can. remembering that you had it pushed all the way in before, so you just kind of got to get it as close as you can get it, and then it just clips right in like that. If this did help you, please do consider hitting that subscribe button. See you in the next video.